What's up, folks? It's Dan here from BeAGameCharacter.com, where we turn games into gains, and today we're going over weighted chin-ups and pull-ups with a dumbbell. Now, you can do weighted chin-ups and pull-ups a variety of ways. You can wear a weighted vest, you can throw some weight in a backpack if you want, you can get a weight belt, which is a belt that goes around your waist and has chains hanging off it, and you can attach plates to that. Or, if you've got just a dumbbell lying around, you can do it with that too. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take your dumbbell. Here I've got an adjustable dumbbell, but you can do this with a hex dumbbell as well. You're going to cross your feet like this. See how I cross my ankles? I'm standing on one leg. You're going to grab onto your pull-up bar, and you're going to hold the weight like this between your legs. And from there, you're going to do your pull-up. Up and down, or overhand like this for a true pull-up. First one was a chin-up. This is a pull-up. Up and down. And just like that. Now your legs are invariably going to be stronger than your arms are. So you're going to have a hard time hitting a point where you can't hold enough weight between your feet to challenge you. But it will happen. You'll get there eventually because your back is what's mainly being recruited besides your arms, and your back will get very strong. But this is definitely a way to get you started on weighted pull-ups and chin-ups. Once you start getting up to the realm where you're doing 50, 60, 70 pounds for your extra weight, it might get a bit extreme to try and do that with a dumbbell. But for when you're starting out, if you're looking at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 pounds onto your pull-up or your chin-up, it's a great way to do it. Again, you're just going to take it, you stick it between the legs, and you just cross your leg, and you just let the bar just rest right there. And it's super easy. All you do is keep those legs crossed. I can stay here all day long. And like I said, you can do that with an adjustable dumbbell, you can do it with a hex dumbbell, any kind of dumbbell you got, you should be able to do that. You might have to take your shoes off to be able to fit your ankles between, but probably not, unless you got very big feet. So, thank you for watching. As always, remember, live boldly, change the world, and continue to be awesome. Bye-bye.
Listen!